Hi students, welcome to our maths class. The previous class we learned about numbers, large numbers, smallest number, sum and difference. Now we are going to discuss about multiple multiplication. Do you know multiple? Yeah, good. All students should study multiplication table 1 to 15. Today's our first activity, word problem. Today's our first activity, word problem. Let me write a question. Activity first, multiplication. There are 528 girls and 442 boys in a school. Uniform for girls for a girl costs 210 rupees and for a boy 160 rupees. What is the total? What is the total cost for uniforms? All of you listen. This is the word problem. Today is our first activity, word problem. There are 528 girls and 442 boys in a school. Uniform for a girl costs 210 and boys uniform costs 160 rupees. What is the total cost for uniforms? Number of girls. Number of girls, say aloud, number of girls. Yeah, 528. Cost of one uniform for a girl 210. Cost of uniform for 528 girls into 210. 528 into 210. Multiply this number. Zero. Multiply 8. And next place, tens place 1. 1 into 8. 8. 1 into 2. 2. 1 into 5. 5. And next 100 place. Multiply. 2 8s are 16. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 2 5s are 10. Add these numbers. 0, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Cost of uniform for 528 girls. Rate. Got it? Next part. May I clean the question? Okay, may I clean the question? Number of boys. Number of boys. Number of boys. Number of boys 400, 442, 442. Cost of one uniform. Cost of one uniform. Boys uniform. Right? 160 rupees. 60 rupees. Cost of uniform for 442 boys. 442 into 160. 160. May I clean this part? And solve the problem. 442 into 160. Multiply this number. Multiply 0. 0. 6 2s are multiply 6 next number 10 place 12 1 balance 6 4s are 24 plus 1 balance 2 6 4s are 24 24 plus 2 okay, got it. Next 100 place number 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. And multiply and divide plus addition for this number. First multiply this number. 442 multiply 160 and these numbers are add 0, 2, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 6 10, 4 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 1 7. And find the total cost for uniform. To find the total cost for uniform. First, girls total cost for uniform. Total cost for uniform. Uniforms plus S. Add this number. Add this number. 8, 8, 6 plus 0, 2, 7, 0, 7. Add this number 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 balance, 7 plus 8. Some 8 plus 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 balance, 1, 7 plus 1, 8 and 1. The total cost Are you finished? Do you understood the problems method? Problem solve method? Do you understood? Any doubt? No. Yes. Listen to the chart. Write down the activity 1. This is textual activity, page number 17. It is a textual activity, page number 17. Write down. In an education district, there are 215 schools and the district panchayat allotted 4,850 rupees to each of these for setting up math lab, and also 76,500 rupees each for 36 schools for computer lab. How much is the total allotment for labs? Allotment for setting up math lab in 215 schools. 4,850 into 215, and then we get the computer lab setting allotted money. Allotment for setting up computer lab in 36 schools and 76,500 into 36, and then we get the computer lab allotted money. The total allotted money, allotment or money, the maths lab and computer lab, and the add this number. Okay. Next activity. In an election contested by 2 candidates, the winner got 3,74,436 votes and his rival got 29,3,760. 2,93,760 votes. What is the winner's majority? And 1,436 votes were invalid. How many votes were polled? numbers of words winner, numbers of words the revile, valid notes, winners of majority, number of words poll. And this multiplication and addition in this part. Are you finished? No doubt? Okay. Next activity. So our next activity, activity second, number 1, 225 into 98 plus the same question 225 into 2. First 225 into 98 and 225 into 2 and add these numbers. First multiply and add this number. First 225 into 98. Multiply this number. 8 into 5. 4. 44 balance. 8 into 2. 8 into 2. 16. 16 plus 4. 20. Balance 2. 8 plus 8 into 2. 8. 8 into 2. 16. 16 plus 2. 80. Okay. And next number, the 10 place, 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. 4 balance. 9 into 2. 18. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 4. 20. Yes, correct. 22. Next, balance 2. 9 into 2. 18. 18 plus 2. 20. As add this number 0, 5, 10, 2, 2. Okay. And next part 225 into 2. Okay. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 balance 5. 2 into 2 is 4. 450. And this number add 200 add this number 0, 10, 5, 2, 2. 22,500. Then we get the answer 22,500. Do you understood? Any doubt? And next more activities. Let me write the questions. Next more activities. Write down your notebook. Second question. $485 into 10 plus, and question number 3, 320 into 100 minus 320 into 2. Are you finished? Are you finished? Okay, are you finished? Got it? Any doubt? Okay, today's class is over. Have a nice day.